I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to check battery health on your MacBook. Step 1. Click the Apple icon to open a menu, and then click System Settings in this menu. Step 2. Click Battery in this menu. You'll see your high-level MacBook battery health next to Battery Health. If you see normal, then it means the battery is functioning correctly and performing within its normal operating parameters. It hasn't reached a cycle count or wear level that requires professional attention. Alternatively, if you see service recommended, then the battery's ability to hold a charge has significantly degraded and is no longer functioning. You should consider contacting either Apple or an authorized service provider to discuss getting a battery replacement. Clicking the eye icon next to your battery health status will open a window where you'll see more details. You'll see your high-level battery condition, the maximum battery capacity, and you'll see the toggle where you can turn on optimized battery charging, which can optimize your battery's performance and slow down its aging process. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.